Hey Tony, I can't see a damn thing out here. Can you bring up the lights, please? It's ridiculous. All right, Joe, we'll bring them up. The hull behind hydrogen generator can power 50 megawatts and delivers pure, clean energy. Has a solar panel for staying green and everything you need. Joe, hook up the cable. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, Tony, back it in nice and slow and we'll hitch up the generator. Here we go. Oh. Whoa, I said slow, buddy. Not that fast, for crying out loud. There we go. Yeah, good enough. I think I can hitch her on. Okay, disconnect the cable now and we can put the solar panel in the back and I can haul this generator out of here. All right, Johnny, let's get this trailer out of here before the boss man comes.